Hello everyone and welcome to Xanthus Institute's YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial we are gonna talk about how to use color scales in Excel. With color scales you'll be able to design a table with a clear overview of the maximum, the minimum as well as the middle values. So let's get into it. To use this function, you'll need to select the data range to which you want to apply the color scales first. Then go to Home tab, find Styles and click on Conditional Formatting. There are several useful functions hidden here in the Conditional Formatting section. We'll go for color scales now, and in the window that just appeared, we can select from two types of color scales. The first one contains a scale of 3 colors, the other one just 2. Select the first one, green, yellow, red. Excel immediately applies a scale in these colors on the selected cells. The red color marks the minimum, green color the maximum, and the yellow marks the middle values. With these, we are able to find our way through the set and data and spot quickly whether particular values are closer to minimum or rather the maximum of the range. We are gonna move on now and see how we can edit the color scale, or if necessary how we can remove it. Let's start with the first case, which is editing the color scale. Select the data with the color scale formatting, then click on Conditional Formatting again and select Manage Rules. Select Edit Rule in the window that just appeared. There is a number of options for editing color scales here. We are gonna go only through the basic ones now. In this part, you can still make up your mind whether you want to change to 2 color or stick with the 3 color scale. Below, you can pick specific colors on what suits you best. In this case, we'll choose this sharp red for the minimum and this intense green for the maximum of the range. Confirm with OK, then click on OK again. Excel will adjust the scale according to the selected settings. If you want to remove the color scale, select the range and click on Clear Rules in the section Conditional Formatting. Then click on Clear Rules from selected cell, and that's it. The color scale has been removed from the table. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like, hit that subscribe button and join the Xanthus Institute.